The Twinklers.
Yung tagak sir, ganing ambal.
Labi-labi.
Gani oh.
The Star Scout.
The Twinkler is cheerful, kind, and helpful. Scout salute. The Star Scout promise in unison. Star Scout promise. I promise to do my best to love God and my country, to help other people every day, especially those at home. Star Scout flow in unison. Star Scout flow. A Star Scout is to God and my country, to help other people at all times, and to live by the Girl Scout law. The Girl Scout law in unison. A Girl Scout's honor is to be trusted. A Girl Scout is loyal. A Girl Scout is helpful. A Girl Scout is a friend to all and a sister to every other Girl Scout. A Girl Scout is courteous. A Girl Scout respects living things. A Girl Scout is disciplined. A Girl Scout is self-reliant. A Girl Scout is thrifty. A Girl Scout is clean in thought, word, and deed. Handa baba!
We Hello there, little friends. May I know why you are here?
I look into the magic star. I want to know which one become Twinkler.
Well then, come along. I shall take you to the guiding star. She will show you the magic star. Guiding star. These little girls are looking for the magic star. They wish to become twinklers, and they wish to know if they
Ay, sorry, te.
Kasi, uminom ni ma'am.
Ber, tanaw, Ber. No, mana dito din.
Agrak pa sila. Wala silang video niya.
Congratulations, Twinklers! You are now official members of the Worldwide Girl Scouts Movement. Once again, let us give the Twinklers a big round of applause. By which the Girl Scouts try to live, and through which leaders shall help the girls gain a worthy citizenship. With a humble heart, may I request Mr. Oscar Arsbuga, our institutional head, to light up the biggest candle.
This candle which I now light represents the spirit of
Twinkler, ano nang huli?